Hello my channel. Today a recipe for a delicious and easy to prepare salad with arugula tortellini. As always in the beginning, I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and you will be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of the needed ingredients. You can find the same list in the description under the video. Under the video, I also add a link to the blog where you'll find all my recipes. We need 250 grams of cooked tortellini with any filling, about 50 grams of fresh arugula and about 5 sun-dried tomatoes. In a separate bowl, we will prepare the sauce. For the sauce, I used 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. I don't know if you know, but rapeseed oil supports our immunity and is a source of beneficial unsaturated fatty acids, but also vitamins. The oil is rich in vitamins. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the salad. Add 1 level tablespoon of mustard of your choice and 1 level tablespoon of honey. Season with salt and pepper and mix everything. Pour the prepared sauce over the salad and mix everything together. Finally, sprinkle with pine nuts roasted in a dry pan or roasted sunflower seeds, and it's ready. Bon appétit!